Can Golu grab the peach? Learn past tense. Hello, friends. Welcome to Story Time with Golu today. We are diving into super fun adventure with Golu the squirrel. Can he grab a juicy peach? And guess what? We will learn simple past tense along the way. So let's go and dive deep into his story. Once upon a time, Golu, a curious squirrel, lived in a sunny forest. He loved to explore. Every morning, he scampered up the trees and hunted for treasure. One day, he spotted a big golden peach at high on a tree. His eyes sparkled. He wanted that peach at any cost. So, Golu climbed the tree fast. He stretched his paws in order to reach Peach, but the peach was too far. He jumped, but he missed and tumbled onto a soft pile of leaves. Oh no, he felt a bit silly, but didn't he give up? He thought hard and remembered his friend Momo, a speedy squirrel. Golu shouted for Momo, and Momo soon zoomed to the tree. They both sat for a while, thinking how to get Peach, and they came up with the idea. Momo pushed the branch, and Golu grabbed the peach. It fell, and they caught it. That evening they sat under the star, munched the peach, and giggled. Golu thanks Momo and learned a new lesson, and that was teamwork wins. And that was cool adventure of Golu. But did you notice all the past tense verb? Those were simple past tense. And simple past tense tells us about things that happened before, like yesterday or long ago. Now let's learn the usage of simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to denote completed action. So in story, Golu discovered a huge peach dangling from the branch. This is a completed action. The second usage of simple past tense is it denotes past habit. Golu loved to explore. That was his past habit. Simple past tense also denotes past states. Example, Golu lived in a cozy tree. So what was his past states? He was living in cozy tree. The fourth usage of simple past tense is it also denotes sequential action. That is, they climbed the tree and shook the branch. So it happened in sequential order where they climbed the tree first and then they shook the branch. And also simple past tense used to denote past facts. Golu realized teamwork made his dream come true. So these were the usage of simple past tense. Hope you all enjoyed the peachy adventure of Golu. And before we leave, what did Golu and Momo do together? Drop it in comment, like and subscribe, and do hit the ring bell. Thank you.